Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Refreshed Gears. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce to you the Acer Chromebook R11 N15Q8. Sleek design and compact size. With an 11.6-inch screen, experience a new level of interaction with the special touchscreen feature of the Acer Chromebook. Seamless performance. This Chromebook is powered by a Celeron processor with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. Say hello to the future of computing with Chrome OS. Ready to make this remarkable Chromebook yours? Ordering from Refreshed Gears is as simple as a click of a button. We pride ourselves on delivering convenience to your doorstep, anywhere in Oman. And guess what? We offer cash on delivery, ensuring a seamless and secure payment process. But wait, there's more. When you purchase the Acer Chromebook R11 from Refreshed Gears, you're not just getting a fantastic device, you're also receiving a bundle of complimentary gifts. Mouse, bag, wireless earpods.